Here's some variations for upper back, shoulder. It can also, well, it helps me decrease neck pain. Again, I don't diagnose injury. I also don't claim to treat injury. I'm just sharing what works for me and decreases my pain, shoulder, neck, upper back, what I consider to be chronic pain issues for many people. So here I'm on the foam roller, just extending gently back. I'm going to work on a couple of parts of my spine here. Notice I'm not coming up and down like an abdominal exercise. I am just focusing on the inhale to exhale to extend over the roller. I also like to do this on a barrel, on an arc barrel in the Pilates studio. Here's the foam roller. You can use a mini ball, you can use 2 lacrosse balls or 2 toning balls. Breathing in and out, and then just letting your body extend backwards if you are looking at a computer all day, if you work with children and you're looking down, or dogs like me looking down at a tablet. Those are reasons why you would want to get into this extension phase at the end of your day. And then slowly I'm working myself over the roller. Only do this if you have no pain in your neck, no pinching, no burning, no referred pain going down the arm, things like that. All right, then I like to roll. Usually I get a couple of cracks and feel things move back into place. Also, I believe it gives hydration to the muscles and then to the joints. Now, that was a brief foam rolling and thoracic extension, so please take your time with that. I do it much longer when I'm doing this on my own. These are for video purposes. Now, this is a arm reaching variation. So my left shoulder gets really tight from an old labrum injury. Tell a lot of people that when I was younger, when I was 41, I was trying to keep up with people who were 25 and under 30. So I was doing handstands, I was doing all of it, and I irritated my labrum. So that gave me a lot of pain. In any case, these are great shoulder girdle exercises. Here it's protraction, retraction on the foam roller, and then some reaching. Now, my right arm can touch the floor comfortably, as you can see. Keep the ribs in, but look at that left. The left actually improved from the first reach and then the protraction and retraction. And then what I do is I use my other arm to help gently encourage the left arm to reach to the ground. So I'm feeling it all down the left side. And then I'm stretching it again, just putting a little bit of pressure into my left, like I said, to encourage it. It's like a key. I'm not forcing it, but I'm helping it. You could grab the mat, but I think I'm just straightening it here. Then I test it again, I check it again. Do this a couple times. I haven't taught this lately, but I will. Yep. And that's just a fancy way. I'm thinking about the whole left side of my body, putting it over the head and sliding it up the arm, like you're taking off a glove or a shirt over your head. And then testing that reach again. And then we're going to do some rotated side scapula trigger point exploration. So here I've shifted a little left, I've put all my body weight on my right, and I'm just massaging around and moving my arm to see if I can feel a trigger. Since I'm on the foam roller, I'll keep it in this segment, but I'm also going to have a video that uses a lacrosse ball behind where you find that trigger. So you can either find the trigger with a foam roller or you can use a lacrosse ball. This is good for the core as well. You can just lightly massage around.